Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to this new grammar lesson. This lesson is about conjunctions and interjections. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to define conjunctions, differentiate between coordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions, and subordinating conjunctions. You should be able also to define interjections and also give examples of them. Here we go, let's get started. What is a conjunction? A conjunction connects words or phrases or clauses in a sentence. And there are several types of conjunctions. What are they? Number one, coordinating conjunctions. They are words like and, or, for, nor, yet, but, and so. And they make an acronym which is called Fanboys. These coordinating conjunctions are used to join words or phrases or clauses of equal importance. Let's see the example here. Plants and animals are made up of cells. The coordinating conjunction here and is connecting the word plants to the word animals. So it's connecting words here. And the functional subjects. Plants and animals are subjects of that sentence. Let's see the second example here. Cells are tiny, but they have everything needed for life. In this example here, the word but joins two independent clauses. The first clause is cells are tiny. Second clause is they have everything needed for life. Together, that makes a compound sentence using the conjunction but. Next, correlative conjunctions. What are they? They are conjunctions that are used in pairs. They come in twos to join words or phrases of equal importance. The example here says, either cells exist independently or they are in clumps. Either or, that's the correlative conjunction. So they come in pairs. The next example, the experiment will focus not only on skin cells, but also on hair. Not only, but also. That's the correlative conjunction in this sentence. In this sentence here, the correlative conjunction not only, but also connects or joins two prepositional phrases. The first prepositional phrase is on skill cells, and the second one is on hair. Number 3, subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions join subordinate clauses to independent clauses. For example, if you had one cell, you wouldn't grow and change. In this example here, if you had one cell, this is a dependent clause, or you can call it subordinate clause. The second part of the sentence, you wouldn't grow and change, this is a main clause, or you can call it independent clause. An independent clause makes sense on its own, and a subordinate clause, it's incomplete. The meaning is incomplete. If you had one cell, so what? That's why we call it subordinate clause. A subordinate conjunction joins two sentences. One of them is subordinate and the other one is independent. Second example, we're studying cells in science. Why? Because they are basic to life. We're studying cells in science. This is the independent clause because it makes sense on its own. Because they are basic to life, that is a subordinate clause because it's not complete. And to the right here, you can see some subordinate conjunctions. After, although, as long as soon as, because, before, even though, if, since, so that, then, though, unless, when, whenever, where, wherever, whether, and while. Now let's move into the second part of this lesson, an interjection. What's an interjection? It is a word or phrase that expresses emotions, such as hooray, oh, ah, well, wow. If an interjection expresses mild emotion, join it to the rest of the sentence with a comma. If an interjection expresses strong emotion, it may stand by itself. Follow it with an exclamation point. See the first example here? Oh, you must learn these terms. Here, the interjection expresses mild emotion. Second example, oops, I forgot to study for this test. Oops is an interjection that shows strong emotions. And here we come to the end of this lesson. Today we talked about what are conjunctions, what are coordinating conjunctions, and we said that the coordinating conjunctions, they join words, phrases, or clauses, and they have an acronym of fanboys and or for nor yet but and so. These are coordinating conjunctions. We also said that the correlative conjunctions, they come in twos, and the examples here on the right: both and, either or, neither nor, not only but also, whether or. And finally we talked about interjections, and we said that they show emotions, and they can either show mild emotion or strong emotion. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.